It seems Indian government gave a clean chit of sorts to Mehul Choksi. At least that is what Antigua is claiming regarding granting the businessman citizenship who was accused of fraud in India. The Citizenship by Investment Unit, which is the CIU of Antigua, stated that Mehul Choksi's application was received by the CIU in May 2017 with the necessary documentary requirements, including a police clearance certificate as required by law. The said police clearance certificate from the Government of India, which is basically the Ministry of External Affairs Regional Passport Office in Mumbai, certified that there was no adverse information against Mr. Mehul Choksi, which would render him ineligible for grant of travel facilities, which includes the citizenship. As with all applications, they say that Mr. Choksi's application was subjected to stringent background checks, including Interpol, and after these results only they gave the citizenship. And it also seems that the SEBI, the watchdog SEBI, also made it clear that there were no open investigations against Mehul Choksi. For more on this, we are joined by Neeta Sharma, our senior correspondent, who has given us this whole news. Neeta, I have just stated out the statement, the facts of the statement that has been issued by Antigua. Now, what exactly would this mean? Because India, it seems, sort of gave a clean chit, but the timeline is a little bit confusing.
Anjali, the Antiguan press statement again puts the Indian authorities in dock. They make them stand on the witness box, because now they are saying that when the Antiguan citizenship was given to Mr. Mehul Choksi, there was no investigations pending against him. Even the non-bailable warrant which was issued against him was closed, and in fact the SEBI, which had initiated 2 investigations against him, one was closed and in other they disclosed that there was no evidence found against him. So the Antiguan authorities are putting the blame back on Indian authorities, that it is from your SEBI that we got clearance from. It was your NBW which was, overtaken and it was closed, and the investigations also by the CBI. At that point of time, there were no investigations going on also. The CBI, and as far as the PNB fraud bank case is concerned, the investigations in that case were initiated in January 2018. So clearly they are saying that when they initiated the process of giving citizenship to Mr. Mehul Choksi, none of the cases were there, and as of now also there is no red corner notice or there is no request from the Indian authorities as far as the Antigua is concerned. However, the Ministry of External Affairs says that they are on the final process of issuing a letter of rogatory against Mr. Mehul Choksi. Yesterday, Minister of State Mr. V.K. Singh issued a statement in Rajya Sabha saying, as far as Nirav Modi is concerned, they have already sent an extradition request to United Kingdom through the diplomatic bag on 29th of June. But as far as his movements are concerned, this is Ministry of External Affairs conceding in the Parliament that as far as movements are concerned, they have no way of tracking it. But they have sent an extradition request to the United Kingdom. But in case of Mehul Choksi, the investigations agencies are even a step behind, because there is no extradition request. Second, even there is no RCN as the Antiguan authorities again and again are pointing out. And third, they are saying that your investigating agencies had closed down case against Mr. Mehul Choksi. So you are in the dock, so you please clarify, and if and when you will clarify, we will take action. Anjali?
Neeta, if we talk about the timeline, now we clearly know that the citizenship was granted in November last year. The whole incident happened, the PNB thing came out sometime around in January. So by the same argument, wouldn't India or the MEA would say the same thing, that at that particular time there were no cases, so we gave that clearance? Can they use this to get out?
As of now, the Antigua authority are saying that they have no clue what case the Indian authorities are citing against Mr. Mehul Choksi regarding the PNB bank fraud case. They are saying there is nothing on paper. So they will only initiate action if and when they receive any request. But informally the Ministry of External Affairs has had meetings with the dignitaries in Antigua, and the Antiguan authorities have assured the Ministry of External Affairs that they would be helping out India. But as of now, there is no case. Mr. Mehul Choksi is a valid citizen of Antigua, and he can move around in almost 32 countries, because it's the Antigua passport is a very powerful passport. So he can move around, and there is nothing the Indian authorities as of now can do.
Now, this is a very important piece of information that you've given, that this passport allows him to roam around in 32 countries. So, even if there is information with Interpol, or if there is red corner notice, does it limit his movement? How can you explain this?
As far as the RCN is concerned, Mr. Nirav Modi already has a RCN against him, but still he managed to go from United Kingdom to Brussels, because the host country is not, initiating the process or taking interest in Indian request. So, as far as Mr. Mehul Choksi is concerned, if and when an RCN would be issued, because the CBI again and again says that it's been over a month that they have sent back all the information that the Interpol authorities wanted, but still no RCN has been initiated against him. And as far as Ministry of External Affairs is concerned, they are now saying that they are on the final stage of issuing a letter of rogatory against him. But when will that come? Even the CBI doesn't know.